Difficult weather conditions will again have a huge impact on the German airports, which are notoriously ill-equipped to deal with the winter conditions, let alone more severe weather. It's only been 6 weeks since similar weather destroyed operations at Munich airport. Took almost 2 weeks and back up and running, but now winter weather has taken over both Germany's major airports and will have even more serious consequences. As Germany forces that weather-related snowstorm, cities and authorities are grappling with unprecedented challenges, where the beating cold and heavy snowfall have disrupted normal life across the nation, prompted widespread constant and precautionary measures. Berlin, heavy snowfall and freezing rain across Germany and Wednesday led to cancellation and hundreds of flights and trains, incidentally ice road to school closures. More than 600 flights were cancelled in Frankfurt airport, Germany's largest, and more than 315 arrivals and departures were cancelled in Munich. In Western Germany, airport closed at one day and the flight delays and cancellation also affected Düsseldorf. National rail operator Deutsche Bahn cancelled several intensified flights and announced that maximum speed of its high-speed ice train would be limited to 200 km/h due to extreme weather conditions. Freezing rain in western and southern Germany also led to countless incidents on the icy roads early Wednesday morning, as particularly measure many schools and kindergartens in the country closed today, and some companies affected their employees to the option of work from home. In the northern region of Germany, particularly in the cities like Hamburg and Bremen, residents woke up a winter wonderland turned into a logistical nightmare. The cascading snow and the blanket streets creating hazardous conditions for commuters and raising concerns about the strain of emergency service. Transportation network have been severely impacted, with the numerous flights cancelled or delayed at major airports. Rail services are facing significant disruption, leading in stranded passengers and frustrating travels. The autobahns, known for their efficiency, are now treacherous stretchers, with multiple incidents reported due to slippery roads. The German Meteorological Service issues severe weather warning well in advance, urging citizens to stay indoors and avoid unnecessary travel. Schools and businesses have been closed in several regions, with the authorities prioritizing public safety over their routine activities. The German Red Cross has mobilized emergency response team to assist those in distress and provide support to vulnerable population. Local authorities are working tirelessly to clear roadway and keep essential service running. Snowplows and salt trucks are deployed around the clock to take the accumulation of snow and ice. Emergency shelters have been stopped to accommodate with those without proper heating or shelters, ensuring the vulnerable population are not left exposed to harsh elements. The snowstorm has also had economic repercussions, disrupted supply chain and impacted businesses than rather regular operation. Related are grappling with a reduced foot traffic, and the industries dependent on just-in-time logistics facing delays in shipments. In response to the crisis, the German government has activated national emergency plan coordinated force across general, federal and regional agencies. Despite the disruption, they are heat warming. Stores energy from communities banding together to support one another. Neighbors are helping clear drivers and sidewalks, and local businesses are offering workspace and those without advanced heating. As Germany continues to grapple with the aftermath on this first-felt snowstorm, resilience and community spirit to provide the essential elements in overcoming the challenge posed to extraordinary weather event. The nation remains unity to determination to weather the storm and emerge stronger on the other side.